Today, our students didn't just visit a farm, they became little farmers. Students of New Oxford School arrived with excitement, curiosity, and bright smiles. They explored the farm, observed the plants, and discovered how animals are cared for. Then came the hands-on activity, plucking fresh fodder for the cows. With bundles of fresh greens in their hands, the students eagerly moved closer to the cows. The visit helped them understand the value of farming, animal care, and respect for nature. They returned with more than happy memories. They carried gratitude for farmers, kindness towards animals, and a deeper connection with nature.